This illustration deals with the general lighting and receptacle load in accordance with 220.11 and 220.14J of the NEC. Now notice in the NEC loop, I suggest that you review these sections carefully before you start this calculation. Now, NEC loop 210.11, 210.11A, 220.11B, and 220.14 L and I should be reviewed very carefully before you start this calculation. Now notice in the illustration that you have your panel board, you have your circuits there supplying lighting loads and receptacle loads, and each circuit would have two or more outlets on it to be considered a general purpose circuit as defined in Article 100 of the NEC. Now, the boxed in information shows the procedure for determining this general lighting and receptacle load. Now, the requirement is calculate the general lighting and receptacle load for a 60 by 60 square foot dwelling in accordance with 220.11. Now, notice in step 1, we calculate the VA. And we would apply 220.11 by taking a 60 by 60 square foot dwelling times 3 VA per square foot would equal, in step 2, 10,800 VA. But notice we use two steps, step 1 and step 2, to determine this calculation. So in the solution, after reviewing step 1 and step 2, we find then that the total VA for the lighting load and receptacle load is 10,800. Now we will review with you in Stallcup's Test Taken Made Easy the procedure used to determine the number of branch circuits based upon this 10,800 VA as we move on through and into the upcoming illustrations. So figure 1-2 simply deals with finding the VA rating for the general lighting and receptacle loads in accordance with NEC 220.11 and 220.14J.